It's a popular saying that wherever the sun touches, the relentless Igbo spirit is not far away. From the southeastern part of Nigeria to every corner of the world, the Igbo people bring a story of strength, community, and boundless ambition.
They have this never say die attitude towards anything they do in life. And that's exactly the way they've been. Majority of them were brought up. You know, it passed from generation to generation. So, and they believe in working hard.
So for 9 decades, this remarkable tribe has stood strong in the city of Liverpool. 90 years of culture woven into the fabrics of this city.
We are celebrating our 90th year anniversary in Liverpool. It's been 90 years since Igbo people arrived in Liverpool. So we're happy. As you can see, the event is colorful. This place is not only for Igbo. We have other tribes, other nationalities are here. It started in 1935 when one of the seamen that came to Liverpool had an issue with the police. So some of the Igbos rallied around, went to the police station and protested. And as a result of their protest, the man was released. So they now said, look, it's good for us to come together so that we can protect ourselves, fight for our interests. 1935, that was how the Igbo Club was started, which eventually became the Igbo Community Association Liverpool. And it has stayed up until now. We have been stronger, united, and done great things in Liverpool, and we're so happy to celebrate this milestone.
From helping each other navigate a foreign land to owning the first black community center in Liverpool, this house behind me became the first house to be owned by the black diasporan community without public funding. If you found yourself in Liverpool in this period and you had a temporary accommodation problem, you came here. Everybody came here. Students, businessmen, seamen. This was a place where they all met and hung out with each other. Personally, I think this building deserves to be restored to preserve the unity, the culture, and the tradition of the Igbos. For decades, the Igbo people have carried their traditions with pride while also finding their places within the wider Liverpool community.
We've made a positive impact in Liverpool. Some of our members are in the police, are working in the city council. We have integrated. Some even work with the mayor. So we are fully integrated in this.
Like the saying goes that wherever you go and you didn't see the Igbo man, you should run away from there. It means that place is not productive.
One of the main things we do is every month we meet in Crawford House to engage, to talk about our culture, about our issues and things like that. So I think in that respect we're very good at engaging. I think the issues we have is making sure that our culture passes on to the next generation. So I think one thing that we could do better is to encourage our children to be involved. We're trying to do that with language classes, but I think we can do more.
From 1935 till today, the Igbo spirit has found a home in Liverpool. 90 years on, our story is not just history, it is legacy still being written. So that's it on this one from Liverpool, celebrating the Igbo Community Association's 90th anniversary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting views about culture and travel around the world. Catch you on the next one.